Newton's third law of motion, also known as law of action and reaction, states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. This means that when two objects interact, they exert equal and opposite forces on each other in tandem. Okay, I'm going to show you the third law now. So we have the hose on the ground. I'm going to turn on the water and watch what's going to happen. As you can see, as soon as I put it down, there's a lot of force here. Look, see? So the water skateboard is ready for its first test run. Okay, so the first thing I did was I made the nozzle. Because the nozzle is a crucial part for thrust, because without it you can't maximize the full potential of the pump itself. Then the next thing I did was I added this water pump. It has an output of 6 liters per minute. It's a little bit too underpowered compared to the amount of pressure I need, but it has a maximum pressure of 100 psi, which is plenty, right? Then the next thing I did was add an input hose that's going to be connected to the tank, right? There's our tank right there. Then I added a step up to step up the voltage. This is a step up converter. On this side you can adjust the current, and on this side you can adjust the voltage. This thing can increase the voltage up to 72 volts of power, which is a lot. Added a RC speed controller, then I added the battery. So the step up is important because I'm going to be overvolting this in order to get more output, right? 6 liters, too little. More voltage, more output. All right, let's test this thing. By the way, the nozzle is a bottle lid, and the advantage of that is if this nozzle is too big, I can unscrew it and replace it with a smaller one. Alright, time to add more voltage. There we go. Just a little bit more. There we go. Okay, that's beautiful. Just a little bit more voltage. As you can see, it's really chewing the water. Okay, just a teeny little bit. think it has potential. Okay. Okay, let's see how much voltage we were running it at. Put it at 200 volts. Put it there. Take the test leads. "23 volts, which is not a lot. That's just 24 volts. So that's like double what the pump is designed to do. So yeah, I still have 72 volts to go. So let's hope I can get more thrust. Alright, so the skateboard finally moved. Now it's time to check what voltage I was running. Alright, so I'm going to disconnect the pump. Like that. Both wires are disconnected. Right? I'm going to take the RC remote. I'm going to hit full throttle. I'm going to hold the position of the full throttle. And then let's measure the voltage. 200 volts on the test meter. Okay. 1 second. And let's check the numbers. Alright, so I was running roughly 30 volts. Which is, yeah, that's a lot of voltage considering the pump is only rated for 12 volts. 31 volts. Woo! That's a lot of power. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. I hope to see you in another video. Bye.